Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, August 23rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading flat this morning, unchanged right now. So far, futures are sitting at the 28.61 level. All in all, we'll see where this market goes today. Yesterday, we had a little bit of a mixed tape. You had the S&P down with the Dow a little bit lower. The Russell and the NASDAQ carved out positive days. So we'll see what we get today. In any case, we got some stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to try to focus our attention. The first one I'm going to start off with is the biggest Chinese ADR of them all, Alibaba. BABA is the ticker symbol. Stock closed yesterday at 177.85. It is now trading at 185.40. Great move there for Alibaba. I'm just going to continue to give this the upside bias. Again, there's a lot of resistance around the 188 level today, and then really 193. 193 will be your bigger and better resistance point. But Alibaba on the move today, and we'll see where it goes. But we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings this morning. So again, Alibaba is probably the biggest Chinese IPO out there, ADR out there, I should say. And again, stock is on the move. Let's take a look at Williams-Sonoma. WSM is the ticker symbol here. This stock's catching a bid as well. It closed at $62.61 yesterday and now trading at $67.10. Good little pop. I think there's a lot of resistance in the $67 to $68 range. It did go above 69 briefly yesterday after the close, but again, there's going to be a lot of resistance anywhere in that $68 to $69 range. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out, but I don't expect a whole lot more upside from here. Let's take a look at SNPS, which is Synopsys. Stock right now is trading at $100.15. It closed at $94.67. So this is a good pop this morning. I think around the 101.50, maybe 102 level, that's where this thing should stall out. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone for now. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we got PLCE, which is Children's Place. Stock right now is trading at 141.75, closed at 137.50. This went all the way up to 148, and now it has pulled back a little bit. Just remember, this name is a little bit thin, and what I mean by that is it just rarely trades 1 million shares a day. On a good day, it trades around 400,000. So again, these stocks can overshoot. You got to be a little bit careful with them. Right now, when I look at the chart, I don't really see any problems here with it, except that maybe the daily chart's a bit extended, so maybe the upside will be limited today. But we'll see how it plays out. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Here we have Finisar, FNSR. This is, I believe, trading higher on an upgrade today. Right now, the stock is at 19.26, closed at 18.65 yesterday. Again, if this stock winds up going up to, let's say, $20.75, maybe 21 bucks. There's a lot of resistance there. I'm not sure it's going to get there, but if it does, we should see very, very good resistance at that level, potentially for a fade later today. Let's take a look here at L Brands. LB is a ticker symbol. Just when you think things couldn't get worse, they did. L Brands right now trading at $29.59. Stock closed yesterday at $32.49. So L Brands declining again this morning. Next up, we have Hormel Foods. HRL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $36.73. It closed at $38.51, so Hormel trading a little bit lower. Keep this level on the radar for HRL today. It's going to be $33.50. If the stock gets down to $33.50, I really like it there for an intraday play. I'm not sure that will happen, but we will see if it does. Okay, that's the only level that is standing out to me at the moment. We'll look at more levels once the opening bell rings, but that's the one level I do like today, $33.50 for HRL. Next up, we have Sanderson Farms, SAFM. I believe this is also on the back of earnings. Stock gapping down a little bit. It closed at 106.71. Now trading at 102.52. So this is a good little haircut here. Still some support around the $98 level if it does get down there. We'll look at this one. This one is definitely a lighter volume name. Some days it trades just 200,000 shares or less. You want to be careful whenever you're trying to day trade light volume stocks. Preferably, I like to trade stocks that do trade over 1 million shares a day for a 6-month average. Again, we'll see how this one plays out today. Looking over at the gold market, gold today is trading down $6 to $1,197 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, that is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. You'll see that's trading at 112.74, closed at 113.26. So gold's had a nice little bounce the last few days. Today it is moving lower. Next up, we have crude oil down 11 cents to $67.75 a barrel. Yesterday, crude oil caught a big bid. Today, it's retreating just ever so slightly. If you take a look at the USO today, that's trading at 14.25. This is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, and I'm not going to make too much out of it. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. We are on the cusp of a lot of geopolitical events happening right now. We also have the Labor Day holiday coming up. So once we get into Labor Day, things will really become almost like fireworks out here. So get ready. Markets are just getting poised here. We may be looking at a calm before the storm. And again, there's a lot of action to be found. With that being said, everybody, have a wonderful trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.